G'day, it's Colin from Worth, and today I'd like to talk to you about the new Worth antibacterial disinfectant surface spray. It kills 99.9% of germs and it's safe to use on hard surfaces, but it's not food safe. You can use it in the home and the workshop for cleaning bench tops, banister rails, door handles to keep all those nasty bugs away. To use the disinfectant surface spray, the surface must be pre-cleaned. So let's do that now. So I've cleaned my surface. So now all I need to simply do is spray the antibacterial spray on the bench. Now we leave it for 10 minutes to dry off, and then the surface is protected. Also, don't forget to wear gloves when using the product to protect your skin. The Worth antibacterial surface spray, the perfect partner for the home and the workshop. Now don't forget to like our page, and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Worth.